Yes, ma'am. It's your concurrence.
All right, I'll send a QC over there. CMQC OTC?
Go ahead.
I need somebody on 142 with op 267 ASM.
Copy.
And PVD OTC?
Copy. CVD?
Yeah, you ready for opening the vent doors?
Yes.
Okay. And CGLS OTC?
Yeah, let's go.
Orbiter vent doors will be moved momentarily, step 765.
Yes, ma'am, we copy. Thank you.
Okay. And PVD, you've got to go.
Okay, for 764, please record left hand. Or correction, position of vent door is in purge position.
Purge, okay.
Can you expand a little bit about what we just heard there about the vent doors? Yeah, as we just heard, George, they were talking vent door positioning, which is critical to keeping the vehicle in a certain pressurization point. Those doors open and close. We close them completely, partial open, full open, and it helps with the purge on the vehicle. They just got to go to close the hatch. Chris and Renee have closed the hatch at this time, and it looks like they're probably, they're going to put on the carrier panel that covers that portion. They pulled the handle off, our GSE piece that we use to handle the hatch.
768, leeward vent doors open.
Okay. OVCC OTC?
Hello. Okay, and back like I was saying, you see Renee walking out there. That's our GSE hatch handle that we use, George, to close and open the hatch. They've got that off, and there's protective tile that goes back over those two places that Renee and Chris will put on. Once the handle's taken off, it gives you access to where we can go into pressurization. That'll be one of the next things they do is they'll pull the big line off the ceiling. We'll hook it up to the hatch, and we'll pressurize the vehicle, kind of like they do with an airliner. When you get ready to go up on an airliner, they pressurize the cabin, and we do the exact same thing on the shuttle. Now we've got everybody in the white room now. Ray Cuevas and Drew Billingsley and Randy. Randy's holding the hose. They don't want to leave Randy out. They want to give him something to do, so they're letting Randy hold the hose. And you see Travis is walking back and forth. Our OVCC is telling the guys that are actually doing the work that they have a go to do certain things. Everything comes from the OTC or the NTD telling we have a go for this. So that's exactly what Travis is telling those guys. Okay, you've got to go to do the hatch, do your pressurization, do your carrier panels, whatever the sequence of events that comes through from OTC goes through the OVCC and then on to the number 4 and 5 that do all the mechanical work on the hatch itself. And our NASA quality is right there with them. You really can't see Jack, but he's standing in front of Randy, and he's watching what Chris is doing right now, and Renee is talking to ECL, probably going to bring up pressure, getting ready to do pressurization of the crew module. I know what they're doing now. Yeah, at this time, I see now, George, they're doing the seal leak check. When I told you before that Chris was wiping down those seals, we take a handheld unit and we pressurize between those seals. And what we do there is we're